In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Leeds. To get started, open the Leeds City Council Parking Fines portal through the official Gov UK page. Using the government website is important because it helps make sure you're following a secure and up-to-date payment process. Once the page loads, look for the option to pay a parking fine and select it to continue. From there, scroll down the page until you find the section called Penalty Points, Fines, and Driving Bans. Click on that heading to open the broader area where different types of driving-related penalties are explained. This section is useful because it groups several common offenses and lets you choose the one that matches your situation. On the Penalty Points, Fines, and Driving Bans page, you'll be able to view different penalty categories. These may include driving bans, parking fines, speeding, drink driving, and drug use and driving. Take a moment here to choose the category that fits the violation you need to deal with. It's important to select the correct one because the guidance and payment options can vary depending on the offense. For this example, if your violation is related to speeding penalties, click on Speeding. That will take you to a page with more detailed information about what happens next, including what to do if you plead guilty. This part of the process helps explain the consequences and the official route for resolving the fine online. On the speeding penalties page, review the information shown. You may see a note explaining that the minimum penalty for speeding is a £100 fine and 3 penalty points added to your license. This gives you a clear idea of the standard penalty before you move on to payment. After reading through that section, look for the link that says Pay the Fine Online in England and Wales. Click that link to move to the payment stage. At this point, you'll be redirected to the official online payment process, where you should simply follow the prompts shown on screen. As you complete the payment, make sure you enter your details carefully and double-check everything before submitting. A small mistake in a reference number or vehicle-related information could delay processing. It's also a good idea to keep a confirmation page, screenshot, or email receipt for your records once the payment is complete. And that's it. If you follow the correct category and continue through the official payment prompt, you can pay your Leeds traffic-related fine online quickly and securely.